Hi guys, today I can make some of my favorite things. I get to do today and it can be soccer. And I get to in my playground and I get practice to beat my dad. Where I get play with my dad and I get to a picture and a screen is a toy. It's a really fun one, but it's hard to do it. First, let me show you the things you can have. You can have this markers. How many markers you want? Have more markers here. It's inside the stickers. Then here's more markers. Beat the word then. I don't think we're doing that one. Then this one gives 24 markers. That's the colors you can pick. I think I have that colors. And actually, this, remember the pens? There's many pens. And this is it. So now, forgot the paper. You just pick a paper, every color you want. Every color you want. But not white. Or you can color. It can be really hard. Then don't throw a big, no small, only medium. The size like big and small, the medium. Now we see if it has right. Yeah. Now first, you need the pencil. The pencil. It's hard to open it. Try to this hard. Now first. Now we can make a little head. It's facing like this one out. Now here. Now we can make it like this. First take the ones. Now here, same as that right in the mouth. In the nose, perfect. Now we can make a dessert. Here it is. Now, or I can go start today. Now, that's really fun. So you can see it. Right here is the flag. Now, here I have the 1 and 10 is down. And now don't work at the hands. Now, wait, that's too big. Now we can make the fit. And this stops right here. No, this. Now turning this one out, the soccer is a little hard. Now, Now here. Now we need to do it. Now here. Now is here face. Now it's more bigger. I did it. Now we get done. Now the face. It's like, say to me. Like I have so many points, so he has 0. I got so many points still. I always get so many points. I get like 20 or 100 points. I never get the 100 points. So you can do it. Now, here. Now we take. And now go and ask this one. Forgot. There is so much time into the ocean. Yeah, whoa, look at this color. Now the map is made this color matches. Now you go in here and here. Done. Now we also can be sweaty. And wait. We can be sweaty, then we get some water. Oops. We're hot. And after we get grab our waters. He likes how we are good in soccer. I'm really good. I like sweaty here. Okay, wait, where is almost start? Now the red. My t-shirt is red. This color is let's go eat this. It's behind. The numbers are behind us. Correct. Now, oh, I forgot the card. Oh, forgot what is next. Now is the how did this go? Now is the orange. Here is the orange. Here, and here. Let's just put the eyes. And go black. He likes to have something like that. It's hard. Here we forgot the one. We forgot the hands.
Wow!
Okay. Now you're okay. Now this is a little hard with the big one. It's hard to get. This one is a hard one. If you just grab it and something like throw it and kick it. It's a hard one. The one I hold it and I just kick it. It's hard. We forgot this one. Now we forgot it. Now we get that out. Now first, after do the flip of the ball, I keep out my hand, and after I throw it, and he gets this high how he can. It can feel like this. Goes as high as he can. I don't think so. He goes, I hold it, and after I just kick it. Like first, I want him to see it, and I can be here. Now, I just always walk in. I just picked the ball, and he ran. He just run. And after I say I got my team, it's a little strange. Like after his other, why after see I go it in the thing. See, I just throw it. It can be straight where you need to get it goes over the fence. Straight. Why? Sometimes my dad likes to like this. He grabs the hand and he just throw it. But it's supposed to be with the leg. It's here. The leg here, see it? But it's the same colors. So this is his leg. My actually this is his leg. This is me and this is my dad. He's looking like this. How you just get 100 million thousand? Guys. Goodbye. See you in my next video. Bye.